repairing my vision in 2020 or in 2020. Dr. Robert Cassar, eartheracademy.com. 2020 vision. Well, we're all supposed to have that. And I started to lose my vision after maybe, I don't know, 12 years on the vegan, vegetarian diet. I started to lose my fine vision. I didn't understand why. Maybe I just was getting old. That's what I figured, right? Almost 60 years old. But since I've been rebuilding myself for the last 6 months, and I've been using organ meats, I've cut out my carbs as far as starches, nuts, seeds, grains, and greens. And got the low battery here. There we go. And what I've done is I've massively repaired my eyes by eating grass-fed liver. It's about $3 a pound here in Hawaii. What a beautiful thing. And what's so special about liver? Remember, they always say to eat carrots, right? To get better vision. Well, beta-carotene is the precursor to retinol A, or vitamin A, the real vitamin A. So your body has to figure out how to take this beta-carotene, if you eat carrots, like Bugs Bunny, right? and turn it into vitamin A, or retinol A. So liver is loaded full of retinol A. How many units do you think it has in it? It has, in 4 ounces, 53,000 units of vitamin A. It's a vitamin pill in a piece of meat. Not only that, it's loaded full of B vitamins. Okay, loaded full of these essential microminerals, microelements that are really not found in any other plant that you can tell me about. So this is what's happened to me. Remember, I'm rebuilding myself in 2020 because I want 2020 vision again. And my eyes, remember, are how I communicate with this world, so I can navigate through it. And if you can't see well, guess what? You're not navigating well. And over just the last, I'd say, month, my eye vision has repaired itself probably about 80%. I used to use fine magnifying glasses, 0.5s, and then I had to go up to 0.1s as far as magnification because I couldn't read fine print. Now I can read fine print again. Not perfect, but then again, it's repaired my eyes. And all I knew before, it was getting worse by the day. So the vitamin A that's in, and whatever else is in, liver, okay? And I've also been having organ kidney, which have very high levels. You can call them a nutritional vitamin in a piece of flesh. And all I can say is, if you're having eye vision problems and you've been on a vegetarian or vegan diet, well, this is something you may want to try. And I've been eating about a pound a week, on and off, maybe sometimes a pound every 2 weeks, because sometimes I can't get it. And my vision over, I'd say probably over 3 months, it started to get better. But over the last month, my eyes miraculously have changed the way I see. I could always see good vision far away, but my fine vision was damaged. So anyways, this is just a simple tip of the day. If your eyes are damaged, okay, from whatever it is, remember, if you're getting old, well, you lose your fine vision. But all I see is, I see a lot of young people that are on the vegan diet, vegetarian diet, and they're all wearing bloody glasses. Okay, so if you're wearing glasses, well, you may want to try having some liver. And you just eat it by itself. I just fry it in a little bit of ghee butter and maybe with some purple onions on the side and with salt. And what a beautiful thing. And the next day when it's cold, it even tastes better. So you chew it up, remember, you don't swallow any pieces, you chew it up to nothing. And then you'll find there are some arteries and veins inside the vena cava, okay, that's this big thick artery inside the liver. And you want to chew that thing up and chew it up because it's full of collagen too. Take it out of your mouth and just break it into little tiny pieces and swallow little pieces of sand. That's it. You don't want to swallow big pieces of anything you're eating, no matter what, even if you're on a vegetarian diet or a flesh diet. Do not mix the liver with any carbs, if you can. eat it by itself. It's just a separate dish. So anyways, just wanted to tell you, my eyes are magically feeling better as far as not being red anymore, and I think that's because of the oxalates that I've removed, but also my vision. And if you can't see 20/20, remember 20/20 vision in 20/20, then you're not going to be able to navigate well. You won't want to read because, well, maybe you can't read because you can't see too well. So anyways, just wanted to give you that tip of the day. If you are losing some of your vision, especially fine vision, you may want to try some liver. Like I said, I'm eating about 1 pound a week, and it really tastes good. It super does. And it is a magical organ meat, is because it is just loaded full of the B12, B vitamins, all the things that if you're a vegan or vegetarian, you are lacking. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K, okay, K2. All the things, these micro essential minerals and vitamins that are not available in plants. So watch yourself, guys, on the vegan diet. And if you are starting to degenerate, a lot of people, their hair starts getting thin. Heck, my hair is even getting darker now instead of the white stressed hair that I was getting before. Okay, that's enough, but give it a try. Don't be shy. You can also, if you don't like liver, you can get liver pills. Okay, Ancestral Supplements has some really good ones. And we have a link at the bottom of the description here. You can get yourself, things sometimes that you may not want to eat just because maybe you don't like it. Doesn't matter. It's medicine. Medicine sometimes doesn't taste good. And then what they say is a spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down, but don't mix any sugar with this medicine. Okay, see if you can see better. And if you do, then, well, maybe voice your opinion, is because anecdotal evidence is real evidence. And this is my anecdotal evidence. I eat liver, and my fine vision got better. And like I said, for the last 3 years, my vision was getting worse and worse and worse. And there's nothing worse than trying to open up even a combination lock, and I don't have my glasses with me. Feel like a dummy. I can't see. Can you read this for me in the store? Trying to read the fine print. I don't have to do that anymore. Okay, what a beautiful thing. Okay, we'll see you. Again, these tip of the days are supposed to be short, but got to explain myself sometimes a little more. So we'll see you on the next video. Aloha.